Hi everyone, I'm Thành. Today I will teach you how to install a lot of witth in your laptop. First of all, let me explain why you need to install some witth in your laptop. Example, your work, PowerPoint, or example Photoshop or After Effects or Premiere. Because you need to make some video or ask for a time, so you need to insert more witth to your laptop. Okay, so you need to install it in your laptop. Okay, so I will show you the methods in traditional, and it will take us a lot of time to do. Example, first, right click and select install right here, or install for all user right here. I will explain to you after the difference between install and install for all user. And double click to the objects and select install, and after that select install right here and close and select all and install all. It will spend a lot of time though, so I think it's not good way. So we need to find a new way to do. That's it. Select the font which you want to install. So after that, right click and select install for all user, or install right here. As promised, I will explain to you the difference between install and install for all user. Install, that means you just install this font for the user which is making this process. And install for all user, that means if your laptop have 5 users and you do this process, and 5 users will have this font. Okay, it is the difference between install and install for all users. So with me, this laptop just have 1 user, so I will select install. Oh, you will see this message because zip install is already. Okay, and we'll select no because I don't want to replace, because I installed it already. So now it's finished. I think it's so easy for you, but I think it will spend a lot of time before. So please like and subscribe my channel, because I help you don't spend a lot of time to install all the fonts right here. Okay, it is an example. So now it's the end of this video. Thank you for your time to looking my video and patient to listen. Okay, thank you.